Hey everyone, how's it going? Nathan here at InfoGamer. For this video, I have some big announcements. Number one, I'm finally ready to get back to creating our tutorials and Unity content. I hope everyone had a happy new year and a wonderful holiday season. I had an amazing holiday season where my wife and I were blessed with a new addition to our family with the birth of our new baby girl. This is part of the reason why I've been absent from publishing any new videos. My second announcement, and another reason why I've been absent, is that I've been working on updating our website, which is now live and available to everyone at www.infogamerhub.com. There's also a link in the description below. Our new website features a cleaner design and layout, and I'm also very excited to announce our new asset store and membership subscription. In the past, we've given all of our content, including YouTube videos, scripts, and digital downloads to all of you for absolutely free. But with the release of this new website, we're making a few new changes. All of our YouTube content will still continue to be free, yet monetized, but everything else, our scripts and digital downloads, will now be available on our asset store. Or you can sign up for the membership on our website for $3 a month and re-unlock all of the rest of our content. The main benefits of our membership subscription include ad-free access to our website and YouTube videos, unlocking the scripts for our tutorials, and free or discounted access to our asset store and digital downloads. And all of this for only $3 a month. Now, we thought to do this membership subscription rather than doing something else like Patreon. This way, more of the money that you spend on our website will go directly to us rather than having a large portion taken out by a third party. Now, please show your support and go check out our website at www.infogamerhub.com. There's a link in the description. See if you like the changes that I've made and sign up to become a member. See if it's worth the $3 it costs. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.